Welcome to your MBA application journey. My name is Thomas Scott and I am the head coach here at Rocket Charged Careers. Over the coming months, you've probably got a lot of questions about what's about to happen. We have designed this portal exactly to help you through this process. And so on this portal, you're going to find everything about the MBA application journey. And as we work with you throughout your own particular coaching process, you're going to be able to come to this portal time and time again to refer to important resources that will help you make the most of this process. So what are you going to find here? Well, at the end of the day, what we want this portal to be for you is a resource that you can come to as and when you need. So you will find things about the first part of the process, such as building your CV, brainstorming about potential ideas that we'll work on over the next few months. You'll then find more structured approaches to things such as building essays. And you'll find that we've got a variety of what were successful MBA essays for all of the top schools. And what have we done with those essays? What we've tried to do is to give you the essence of what an MBA essay looks like. And all of the examples, which have been cleaned up so you can't tell who wrote them, are real examples that made it through the admissions process, and many of these went on to get successful offers to these MBA programs. One of the other things you'll find on this page is a guide to choosing recommenders. It is really important that you have the best recommendations possible, and so here you'll find resources that will be useful for you in terms of selecting who that will be and then guiding them through the process. When we get nearer to the process of interviews, you'll also find resources here such as an interview preparation guide. There's videos about how to prepare for interviews, whether it's an in-person or whether it's a video interview. And you'll also find other useful resources that will help you in terms of things such as brainstorming ideas, refining your essays, and negotiating steps such as scholarships. But at the end of the day, the most important thing about the MBA application journey is you. If you really want your applications to be successful, you've got to leave no stone unturned. The most successful applicants that I've worked with in my many years in admissions consulting are the ones who are willing to go the extra mile. That means looking for every conversation they can have with current or ex-students, taking the time to reach out to admissions teams, do their research on the internet about different schools, and find out through these phone calls they have with people things that are just not on the website. Because at the end of the day, one of the key things you should take away from this opening video is that often 80 or 90% of the people applying to many business schools are highly qualified to do so. So just having good grades, just having graduated at the top of your class is no guarantee of success. Throughout this program and using this portal, I want to take you on a journey of discovering more about yourself, your value proposition in the world, and the kind of value that you can add to an MBA program, because these are all essential elements of having the strongest application you possibly can.